Did you know you could filter out your conversations? Let's take a look. Here we are in Go High Level, and we're going to go over to the Conversations tab. Now here is where you'll see all incoming and outgoing conversations. This little icon here next to the search bar lets you filter out your conversations. So say I only wanted to look at the conversations, mentions of me or mentions of a specific user, followed by me, followed by specific, or say I wanted, just SMS. I could just do that here. SMS, last message channel, email, Google My Business, live chat, WhatsApp, Instagram, voicemails left, any calls incoming or outgoing, and any Facebook messages. I can simply filter based on whatever I want. So I can do Facebook, or I could do text message, inbound texts, or I could just do calls that are inbound or outbound. I hope you enjoyed this Go High Level quick tip from Real Leads Finder Pro. If you're new to Go High Level and looking for a way to shorten your learning curve and get up and running quickly, check out Real Leads Finder Pro's courses, offering step-by-step tutorials that you can follow along to quickly build and set up your Go High Level account automations. We also offer a course called Mastering AI Conversations, which will take you through step-by-step on how to set up an AI chatbot, AI live conversations, and many AI features you may not be yet aware of. So check us out at Real Leads Finder Pro under Courses for more information.